Hey buddy, welcome to wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a statement and we have to determine whether it's true or false. So the statement goes as it is whether it is possible to have a regular polygon each of whose interior angle is 150 degree. So we need to find a relation between the total sum of internal angles and the number of sides. So let us consider a polygon, a regular polygon I must say. So let us consider a regular polygon having n sides, and each interior angle equals 150 degrees. Now for example, suppose there are 4 sides and each interior angle measures x, then the total sum of interior angles will be 4x. Similarly, total sum of interior angles in this case, so total sum of interior angles will be equals 150 multiplied by n. 150 multiplied by n. Now the relation which we have is total sum of internal angles of a regular polygon, total sum of internal angles of a regular polygon is equals 180 degrees multiplied by n minus 2. So the required equation will be 150n equals 180n minus of 360. So it will become minus of 30n equals minus of 360. Now what is n? N is nothing but the number of sides of a regular polygon, and if it comes out to be as an integer whose value is greater than equals 3, then the given statement is true. But if it comes out to be an integer which is less than 3 or it comes out to be a fraction, then now the given statement is false. So let's find out what's the value of n. So n will be equals minus of 360 upon minus of 30. So minus and minus will cancel out each other, 0 and 0 will cancel out each other, and 3 will be 36 when divided by 3 will produce 12. Therefore n equals 12, which is a positive integer. So our assumption of n is absolutely correct, that is n comes out to be equals 12, which is greater than equals 3. So the given statement is absolutely true. Therefore true will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.